Good morning here in Toronto. As I await my pickup for my Star Hunt audition, naisip ko baka mabuting gumawa ng isang maliit na vlog, short vlog that I can share with you the experiences we've had so far in our world tour with Beanie in Dubai and London. Una-una, gusto ko namin pasalamatan lahat ng Blooms na dumayo sa concert po ng Beanie sa Dubai at sa London. Maraming pong salamat sa mainit yung pagtanggap sa Beanie. Dami yung nangyari sa 2 linggong yun. Sobrang daming nangyari. Unang-una yung sa Dubai, we thought it would be a chill concert wherein, we'll just enjoy the concert and we'll give fun to all our kababayans, all the Blooms in Dubai. Pero di namin anticipate sobrang daming unexpected and first time experience sa Dubai on stage during the live concert. Unang-una na dyan yung, syempre, yung pagkakaroon for the first time in all the concerts na ginawa namin, nagkaroon ng leg cramp si Aya. Siguro dahil sobrang init din sa Dubai, na-dehydrate siya, nakulangan ng sapat na mineral sa katawan. So, because they do their stretching naman, dun sa panahon na yun siguro talaga, meron siya siguro movement na that affected her leg, kaya nagkaroon siya ng ano. At ang ano pa niyan, yung clinic nun sa venue ay nasa likod ng audience. So, ang layo-layo sa backstage na we had to bring Aya there and hoping na maibalik namin siya kagad sa stage. But very strict yung mga doktor doon at mga medic na nandun. So, hindi namin kaya siya maibalik. So, siyempre, meron din mga language barrier na hindi namin ma-explain maayos, hindi nagkakaintindihan kung ano yung tamang terms na ginagamit. So, it took some time. So, and we apologize kung medyo nagkaroon ng delay at lull during the event and you felt that it was stretched, because the truth is, kasi stretch kami nun dahil talagang we're hoping to bring Aya back on stage the soonest. Di na namin siya pinayagan sumayaw kasi baka lumala yung leg cramps niya, kaya nandun na lang siya sa side sitting on the chair, pero binigay naman niya 100% pa rin niya ng upper body movement si Aya. And nakakita nga ako ng mga TikTok videos na ginawa pa siya parang interpreter sa ano. It's funny. It felt funny na lang at the time, pero syempre kawawa rin si Aya because she was in pain. And then at the end of the show also, sumama yung pakiramdam ni Joanna. So, yun din, dinala rin siya sa dulo, sa likod, kasi she felt sick and she felt like throwing up. Pero she felt better naman after. So, I suppose ito yung mga jitters at feeling anxious to mga girls. Kasi first time ulit nilang magkaroon ng concert after a long time since the concert in February. So, medyo naninibago rin sila. But of course, as expected, the girls gave their all. More than 100% of just to make sure na mag-enjoy ang mga Blooms, and we got good and bad feedback. We take note of everything. We wanted to get into this mode of in the tradition of how international artists do their tour. Ganun din po. Right now hindi kami fully 100% in control of our concert because we're working with an agent. We have an agent na po ngayon. We're proud to be working with Wasserman, who is the international agent of Beanie. And they are the ones looking and vetting all the promoters and the producers that we work with. So, iba-iba po yung katrabaho namin per country, per territory. So, sa Dubai nga po, All Things Live, and we were well taken care of by the team of Thomas. And we're very happy na naalagaan ng mga girls at naasikaso po kami ng maayos ng All Things Live. Same way in London with Live Nation, at sa pagdating sa US, iba-iba rin po yung mga katrabaho naming producers. And we also are siyempre experiencing different restrictions in the different venues. Iba-iba po yung venue nila. Merong iba papayag na bumaba yung girls, merong ibang hindi pumapayag. And there's some limitations. Siyempre, hindi kami fully in control. But we're excited to be working with different producers and different promoters in the different venues. na kailangan mag-adjust din kami ng aming aside from the repertoire to how we stage the concert. And syempre, iba rin po yung budget dito. Hindi katulad sa Manila. Of course, sa Manila, when we're the producer, we are in full control. We are able to give all the support and all the elements that we want in a full concert. But when you're traveling, syempre, hindi naman lahat po ng elemento na nakikita sa Manila na bibitbit namin. Ang tanging nabibitbit po namin ay yung 100% energy, charisma, at professionalism ng BINI. And we hope, and they didn't disappoint, and they're experiencing something really different, and they have lots of different challenges, but they make sure that buo ang kanilang determinasyon to bring home the spirit, the Filipino spirit sa ating mga kababayan. At the same time, to make our kababayans proud that they're being represented by BINI and bringing their music and their energy and their charm to different countries. So yun po, again, maraming pong salamat sa ating mga blooms in Dubai and London, at sa lahat din po na nagdala ng kanilang mga kaibigan na non-Filipinos, kamag-anak na non-Filipinos. I hope we made you proud with the performance of the girls. So again, isa yan sa pinagpapasalamatan namin ay yung ating mga supporters na blooms na talaga namang hinuhugutan din ng lakas ng BINI. We're now entering the second phase, the more exciting part of this world tour, this first world tour of BINI. Kasi po dito sa North America, iba talaga yung may experience ng mga girls. Unang-una, when we planned this out, we really wanted the girls to experience yung, how do you say it, ang sinasabi sa amin ng aming foreign consultants at ang aming tour management, because we got a tour management here na iba yung proseso. Kasi sa atin, sanay tayo, di ba po, pag nagdadala po tayo ng Filipino artist abroad and performing to the different Filipino communities, different parts of America, weekends po yung show. Ito po kasi, iba talaga. Like right now, nilipad po namin from London yung girls to Philadelphia, where there is an international soundstage where most of the artists, we were told, most of the big concert artists hold their practices in the different stages and different studios in Philadelphia. So yan po, ipakakaibang experience yan ng BINI, and I hope they appreciate na parang talagang lumilevel up na tayo, na we're trying to give them the experience of an international artist. So yun po, so nandun po sila ngayon from London for a few days. Sinet up yung stage, so pinapractice yung ilaw, yung audio, yung blocking, because here we will be working the foreign technical crew and a foreign touring management team. So kakaiba po yan. And then from Philadelphia, magsisimula na po yung bus life. Kumbaga, yung sasakay na po ang girls natin sa isang touring bus. Yung nakikita ho natin sa mga pelikula kung saan yung mga artists at saka yung mga banda at saka yung crew nasa parang sleeper bus wherein they travel from one state to another. So from Philadelphia po, pupunta po sila dito sa Toronto in a bus. So they're arriving tomorrow morning and then performing at night. And then pagkatapos po nun, biyahe na po kami to New York. So sa lahat po ng parting yan, wala ho silang eroplanong sasakyan. Ang susunod na pong eroplanong sasakyan nila pabalik na po na Maynila. So you could just imagine the girls traveling from one state, from East Coast to the West Coast. So isa po yan sa magandang experience na dadanasan po ng BINI. And we hope to be able to document that and be able to share with you in the future yung experience. And we're assured na komportable yung mga touring bus na yan. At maayos naman ang mga kalye dito, hindi naman malubak. So I think it will be restful. We'll be traveling at night and arriving in a different city. And some parts, we will have a hotel for a night or two, but mostly they'll be living in the bus and traveling in the bus. So ano ho yan, magandang ano yan, magandang pagkakataon. The girls will have a new experience, a new adventure, will be good bonding for the girls and the team. So, exciting po yan. At the same time, nag-iiba po yung time zones. So, from Dubai to London to Toronto, from East Coast to Middle America to West Coast, dadaanan po yung dami. Ako nahihirapan na ako sa bagay. Mas matanda naman ako. Hirapan ako sa jet lag and what have you. The girls will already experience that. So, this is another challenge sa tour na to for the girls because iba-ibang time zones at iba-ibang jet lag ang kailangan nilang i-overcome and still perform 100% dahil sa challenges na ito. And at the same time, there'll be different venues and different promoters, as I said earlier on, that we need to work with. It's an exciting learning experience for all of us. Siyempre, we don't expect na lahat po ng venues na pupuntahan namin ay full packed dahil po not every weekend ang show namin. May shows na Tuesdays, may shows na Thursdays. So, isa po yan talaga sa ano na from, meron din kaming leg na halos every 3 days straight. Iba-ibang lugar, magkakasunod na concert days. And there are bigger venues. I think the biggest that we had is, the biggest venue is really London and Dubai. We have smaller venues here in the US and we don't expect to pack all the venues 100%. But I think the objective, a real objective, is really to reach out to as many blooms in the different parts of America, of North America, and at the same time be able to get new audiences na sana mga kaibigan din to ng ating mga blooms, kamag-anak na non-Filipinos. So we're hoping to be able to do that, whether sold out, whether full capacity or not. The girls are expected to give their 100%. Sanay naman po kami na nagsimula po tayo na 60 blooms po yung ang pinagpa-performa ng ating ng Beanie Girls. Ito rin po yung pagkakataon na talagang even on weekdays, they'll be doing a concert. So from different time zone, from living in a bus, to different venues, adjusting to the different stages, adjusting to the different restrictions of the venues. Ang dami po talagang matututunan and we find that very exciting for us, for the whole team, for ABS-CBN and for Beanie. So alam ko pagbalik namin, pagod na pagod to mga girls na to, but we've planned out a homecoming event for the blooms pag-uwi ho natin. So that's also something to look forward to. Excited kami sa coming June. June will also be the anniversary month of Beanie. Aside from the world tour, we've planned out a lot of events in Manila from, of course, the June 11, and that is the National Beanie Day that we started last year. We'll definitely have a celebration. There's a homecoming to expect also pag-uwi ng girls at the end of the month. There'll be new releases of content. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Beanie Versus with Colette. And there'll also be a new song that will be released, and hopefully it becomes viral as well and be enjoyed by the blooms. Again, marami pong salamat sa lahat po na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa journey ng Beanie. We continue to grow as an agency, as a talent management, and at the same time, the girls are also growing as artists. And I'm sure when they come home, they'll be richer in experience, richer in wisdom, more confident, but of course, very, very tired. But this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And sabi ko nga sa girls na kailangan nila i-savor and to enjoy because not everyone gets the privilege of having this experience. So, ayun. But ano naman ho kami, buong commitment ng ABS-CBN to ensure that this is the start of bringing Filipino artists to the international stages and learning the standards of the entertainment and concert industry abroad. And hopefully we're able to bring that the learnings to the Philippines. So, ayun po, maraming salamat po again sa inyong suporta, and we'll keep you posted, and hopefully yung behind the scene adventure, you'll also witness that sometime last quarter of this year as we prepare for also our a concert in the last quarter of in the Philippines. So, yun po, dami pong mangyayari at patuloy na mangyayari dahil ABS-CBN is committed to ensure that this is the start of an exciting era for OPM. So, we're one with all the Filipino artists in bringing the talent, the Filipino talent, globally. Congratulations to all the artists who work together and who have the same aspirations as we have in ABS-CBN and with BINI. Hope to see you in the show tomorrow in Toronto and also the different shows in different parts of the US. Siyempre, lagi namang ibang experience ng laging iba. It's never the same. A concert is, even if they sing the same song, the experience will always be different, even for the girls. And we would like to thank kahit sa pinaka-baby blooms na nakikita namin, na witness namin, sa lahat ng blooms na naghahanda ng sinusuot nila para lang mapunta sa concert, sa lahat ng kumakanta, nakikisigaw, nakikipalakpak, bumibili ng merchandise namin, ng pagtaas ng kanilang mga light stick. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And again, this is only the beginning.